Hey, what's up guys, I'm Michael King back again with analysis video. So this video I'm analyzing the EURUSD. As you can see, this EURUSD in the daily time frame. I've already marked some key levels on EURUSD. So I'm going to explain what to do from this period right here down to what's happening to EURUSD currently. So if you look at right here, I marked a support level when price of EURUSD fell all the way down to this point. And this between support level with today's price and parameter of movement and parameter start level, as you can see. And this level at today's price and price fell once again to retest the support level, which is today's price. But midway, price was rejected and price fell all the way down to this point, breaking this support level to meet the new support level right at this point. So this support level right here rejected price and following the upward movement to test this level around the support level. And you can see it acted as a resistance level and rejected price and price fell all the way down to this point. So this is a new support level for EURUSD. So currently on EURUSD, this is the major support level for EURUSD until the price can go below this point. But if you look at what's happening to EURUSD currently, you can see that price of EURUSD has gone above this level, this previous support level right here, even above this level right here, as you can see. So currently, price of EURUSD is at this point right here. So I'm going to use the H4 time frame so you can have a wider view of what's happening to EURUSD. So this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame, and these are levels I marked from the daily time frame. I'm going to show you in the daily time frame. That is this this level right here and this level right here. So I'm going to explain how you're going to trade EURUSD this coming week. So if you're thinking of buying EURUSD, then you can see that price of EURUSD is currently above this point, so you can place a price order that above and apply Forex management. But if you're thinking of selling EURUSD, then you have to wait for price to close below this level right here. You can place a stop order right below it and apply Forex management. But be careful of this level because this is the next major support level for EURUSD. So that's all for me. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, share to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.